The challenge you have right now is everyone wants to invest in AI, and it's really not very successful. And I encourage people who really want to jump on the AI bandwagon to sit down with ChatGPT someday and ask it some questions that you know the answer to. Things that have, robust, good scientific answers that we know with certainty. It gets it wrong a lot. And part of that is that no one really understands how they work, and no one really understands how to train them properly. And that's really the challenge that we have, that you can have these things in a safety sensitive thing like flying an airplane or doing healthcare, and it making a catastrophic mistake. My experience has been that you get much, much better results. And I say this as a guy that was consulting for a company that blew millions and millions of dollars trying to find an AI solution to training athletes better. And failing, is that much simpler equations will put you in the right direction. For the simplest example of that is, how well an athlete performs is equal to their fitness minus their fatigue. And that's a very simple equation, and it makes sense. And that's a simple expression of a slightly longer actual mathematical equation with variables in it. But with just 4 or 5 variables, you can get impressive fidelity, where I can tell you within a couple of seconds where an athlete should perform in a marathon. And that's the thing, is that there is plenty of technology and plenty of math and plenty of research that we can leverage. But we're too busy glomming millions upon billions of dollars into this new hotness. It's like, talk to an engineer and say, how can we solve this problem, simply, versus burning $1 trillion in venture capital. I just don't think the right people are at the table to have these discussions.